Hey again, Simon here from b.solar. You know, even when it's cloudy, the sun is still shining. It's just hidden behind the clouds. Anyway, here's a question we've received from Pete of Werribee, who's asked us to explain the Victorian solar rebates. Great question, Pete. So let's get it answered. Victoria State Labor Government is offering new solar rebates for eligible homeowners who want to install solar power and reduce the cost of their electricity. To meet the criteria, you need to own a home that has a value of less than $3 million, have no existing solar power installation, and have a combined household income of $180,000 or less. If you qualify right now, you can claim a rebate of up to $2,225 on the cost of a solar panel system. Then from the 1st of July, the new rebate will offer $2,225 towards the cost of your solar system and an additional $2,225 interest-free loan for 4 years. So now's a great time for Victorians to get solar power and reduce the cost of their living. Oh, and by the way, I should mention that the Victorian rebates are on top of incentives offered by the federal government, so it's an amazing time to get involved. Now, if you have a question just like that one, go to our website, send it to me, and I'll do my best to get it answered for you. I'll see you soon.